All right, welcome to a new case study. Quick one. Today I'm only recording case studies that of trades that I didn't take. Guess that's all right. This trade I missed early sellers, therefore I didn't take it because I was looking at this, I saw the turnaround and I was like, that's clean. Unfortunately, there's no early sellers. Then I looked after the trade played out, I was like, oh fuck me, this is my early sellers. So yeah, unfortunate, but yeah. Um, so let's break it down. Where are we in price? So we have the bullish structure. We reached the discount on the 50-minute range here, or 30-minute, whatever you want to call it, on this bullish range. From this low to this high, we reached discount, took some internal range liquidity, but price was building up a lot of liquidity to the downside, as well as to the upside, as well as to the downside. Therefore, I was like, okay, I missed this long trade of the previous case study, but that was all right, missing that. Then I said, okay, if price either takes out these highs or these lows, if it takes out these lows, I will look for longs. If it takes out this high, I'll look for shorts. And what happens when we come lower? Why do I look for shorts if it takes out this high first? Because then we can target these lows. That was my idea. So take liquidity, grab fuel, and then go down. That's counter trend, yes, but it made sense for me. Then also why I'm trading counter trend for this one is because I think price is about to turn bearish because we already took a lot of liquidity on the daily. Let's actually discuss it. We took this liquidity, tapped into this daily order block, liquidity to the upside taken, liquidity to the downside to target, and that was my idea for this trade. Then going down lower, what can we see? So Asia high being formed, Asia low being formed, and then we got our first form for early sellers over here. And it's actually respecting this 1 minute order block. So we got a low, high, higher low, higher high, bearish break, bullish break. And knowing that this is a bullish break, we can target our either the discount of this range, or we can target Asia lows. Let's play price a little bit further so you can see the price didn't go any lower and didn't take Asia lows. There you go. And then confluences for this trade, as I said, highs were taken, liquidity is taken, Asia highs is taken, New York high is taken. Early sellers, why early sellers? We got this high or this low that led to this high. We got structure forming here. We got low, high, higher low, high, high, bearish break, first form of early sellers. Reason to short here, but there was no break of structure. Then bullish break, bearish break, bullish break. Let's draw it out so we can see it more clearly. So we got a low, high, higher low, higher high, bearish break, bullish break, bearish break, bullish break. So therefore, our early sellers are trying to short from this area and over here. As you can see, price just burst through. Actually, we get a little slowdown over here, maybe enticing people to look for shorts from this order block as well. But yeah, and then what can we see? We got a low, high, higher low, higher high, bearish break. All wicks are made. All candles are mitigated, but oops. But this is a clear, clean wick that is unmitigated with liquidity below. You can do it like that. You can do it like this. So, where do we put our stop loss or our entry on the wick? Because it's a wick entry, not a block, so don't need the breathing room because we want the price actually to tap into that wick. Stop you can either put it above this high, 3.3, 3.8, gives you 1 to 5. But you can also do it above the block or above the wick, gives you 1 to 5. Then targeting Asia low would be unfortunate, but you take 80% at 1 to 5 and you can take the rest maybe at this low, 1 to 8, and price overall gives almost a 1 to 9. Gives a 1 to 9 actually. So there you go. And yeah, then price turns around. So 1 to 9. 1 to 9 is a number I see many times, but that's only the way I enter trades, and everyone enters trades differently. Other people might see 1 to 10s clearly, other people might see 1 to 6 clearly. I see 1 to 5s a lot, like 1 to 5, 5, 4.8, 5.3, around that area, and 1 to 9s. So yeah, that's a trade breakdown. Hope it makes sense. Enjoy.